Is your Metro by T-Mobile SIM card not working? Don't worry, here's a quick guide to get you back online. First, ensure your phone is compatible and unlocked for Metro T-Mobile. Use an IMEI checker tool to verify this. Then, power cycle your device. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, check the SIM card for damage and ensure it's properly inserted using a SIM ejector tool. Try resetting your network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. These steps resolve most common activation and connectivity issues. In 2025, these steps have proven to resolve 90% of SIM card issues if done properly. If basic troubleshooting fails, contact Metro by T-Mobile support via the app, chat, or by calling 611. Request a SIM swap, which involves deactivating your old SIM and activating a new one. Before the swap, back up your data. For eSIM users, ensure the app is updated to the latest version to avoid manual errors. To prevent SIM swapping scams, enable two-factor authentication. If you are in a rural area and have SIM issues, T-Mobile offers mail-in service and satellite-assisted activation in low-signal zones. Resolve it in 3 days. Following these steps and T-Mobile's official guides ensures a smooth activation and minimizes downtime. Metro's app updates in 2025 have reduced DIY fixes by 25%.